Hey, so this problem wants us to evaluate the given g of n function that says negative n plus 6 at the indicated n values right here. All right, so g of n is a function. All right, and we want to solve for g. They told us g of n is equal to negative n plus 6, and we're looking at what happens when g of d, g of negative d. Right? So what this means is everywhere I see an n, I'm going to plug in negative d. All right, g of negative d is equal to negative d plus 6. Whenever I'm plugging in these values that are in the parentheses right here, this negative d value, I always put it in parentheses so that I don't lose a negative sign. So right here we have negative d plus 6. So that's going to be positive d plus 6. So my final answer, g of negative d, is going to be equal to d plus 6. All right. I always make sure that I put it in parentheses right here because if you don't, there's a chance of you losing a negative sign. For example, if you didn't put this in parentheses right here, whenever we plugged in negative d, you might not have seen that it's a negative times a negative here. So it's always a good practice whenever you're plugging in values into a function to put it in parentheses so that you don't lose track of a negative sign by accident.